Health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Good blood builder. Blood purifier. Pumpkin seeds contain iron in them, without which hemoglobin in our body can't be formed. Hemoglobin is a protein molecule that comprises our red blood cells, responsible for the transport of oxygen throughout the body from the lungs. Pumpkin seeds are good for all anemic people as it builds blood in our body. Promote good sleep. If you have issues sleeping, then pumpkin seeds must be consumed a few hours before bed along with the fruit. This is because pumpkin seeds contain an amino acid known as tryptophan, which our bodies convert into serotonin, which is then later converted into the sleep hormone melatonin. Stimulates hair growth. The consumption of pumpkin seeds ensures healthy, shiny and thick hair. If you are worried due to the thinning of your hair, don't waste your hard-earned money in buying commercial hair products. Just add pumpkin seeds to your diet. It will not only stimulate hair growth, but will also help you get rid of premature balding. They up your energy. Magnesium is a very overlooked mineral that's essential for our body's health, since it works to sustain our energy levels. Many women have a hard time getting enough magnesium in their diets, and raw pumpkin seeds might be the natural answer to this nutrient debacle. A quarter cup of pumpkin seeds provides about half your recommended daily intake of magnesium. Improves bladder and prostate health. Pumpkin seeds support bladder function and combat symptoms associated with an overactive bladder. They can also help treat an enlarged prostate, known as benign prostatic hyperplasia. The compounds known as phytosterols, found in pumpkin seeds, help shrink an enlarged prostate. Moreover, the high zinc content supports prostate health, helps improve urinary flow and reduces nighttime urinary frequency. For treating BPH, eat a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds daily. Bone health. Pumpkin seeds are extremely popular due to their effects on osteoporosis. They have high levels of zinc, calcium, copper, and assorted other minerals that are linked to increased bone density. Studies have shown that consistent intake of pumpkin seeds can reduce bone weakness and the symptoms of osteoporosis. Help maintain a strong heart. Pumpkin seeds are rich in phytochemicals and omega-3 fatty acids. Studies show that diets rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-lipoic acid, offers protection against ventricular fibrillation, the primary cause of a heart attack.